my name is Chaaranvi. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make Ugadi pachadi. Let me tell you the ingredients. Tamarind is for sourness, neem flower is for bitterness, green chilies. You can take red chili also. Here I am taking green chili. Green chili is for hotness. Raw mango is for tanginess, salt is for saltiness, and jaggery is for sweetness. So let's start. And water, little bit of water. So let's start adding first tamarind juice. Next, a glass of water. Next, a glass of water. Next, neem flower pet. Next is some chilies only, not too much. Chopped chilies, adding some only. Next raw mango. Next little bit of salt. Pinch of salt. Don't add more than that. Next, jaggery. You can add dough. Now let me mix it. We can add some more jaggery. Next, we can mix it now. So the jaggery will be sweet. I hope you are all done. How did you celebrate Ugadi? I celebrated well. Wow! Now I will taste it. Let me keep in my bowl. Now let me test. Wow, it's so yummy. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Happy Ugadi. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.